Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ify Artistry. I know you'll be wondering about the beautiful hair that I have on. Yeah, it has been a long time that I did a hair review. So I got this beautiful unit and I thought to share how I created this amazing look with you guys. Okay guys, so just keep watching and let's get through how we created this amazing unit. Okay guys, so this is how I am looking. This is how I came, if I have to say. So I got this beautiful units from Alipearl. Yeah, the Alipearl hair. This is the second time I'm actually doing a review for their hair. So they gave me this gorgeous and these are the accessories that the hair came with. So this is the lashes, the stripe band. This is a beautiful hair clip and it's very gorgeous. So I brought it out and I'm trying to check it out. I mean, it's good. So now I actually got this beautiful mirror. This is a handy mirror that you can actually use and travel and stuff. This is just a handy gift and I love it so much. Thank you so much, Alipearl. It's amazing. Okay guys, so I actually got this comb, the invisible wig cap. Yeah, that is lovely. And then this is the hair. So this hair is a 13 by 420 inch wig or something. So it's a lovely hair. So this is me bringing the hair out from the bag, and I love the packaging that this hair came with. So this brand, they always know it. This is like, they don't ever seem to disappoint me. They always know what they have to do. So this hair came pre-coiled, which is lovely. I mean, I've had this hair like the pack of this hair for a long time now, and the fact that this coil still remained intact after staying for like 1 month in my house is amazing. Okay guys, so I'm trying to see the features of the hair. So this is lovely. This brand told me that they have upgraded their wigs to a single knot, which means that it's only 1 or 2 hairs on one hole. You know how, or like a lot of hairs used to have like a lot of hairs jammed on a single hole, which makes it more look like very like rough and everything looking so bulky and a lot of things. But this brand said that they have upgraded and they make only 1 or 2 hairs to be on one hole, and this will give your frontal or your hair to be more realistic and it is going to make it look so good. So I tried to look at this and I checked it to see if they are saying the truth, and honestly this looks so realistic and it looks so good and beautiful. Yeah, the hairline is so amazing and so lovely. There is not like, there is no much bulky hair. As you can see, everything is looking amazing and lovely. Okay guys, so we are going to do the installation and let us see how it looks on me. Meanwhile, this hair came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, yeah, because they have already done the job. Okay guys, so I wore my wig cap and then I put on my foundation on it because like my wig cap is like light and I have to put on my foundation as I have no intention of installing this wig cap on my hair. Okay guys, so after that I get the foundation that is my shade, like my skin shade, and I want to use it and tint the lace of the wig, so like it's smash exactly to my, I mean this lace is already like it's already like looking very nice, but like I have to tint it to make sure everything is looking perfect. So after putting on the color of my foundation on the lace, I have to cut it out. You guys already know I am not good with cutting lace on myself because I don't want to cut myself. So I cut it before I put it on my hair. Okay guys, so this is just me. I'm done cutting the lace now, and I'm trying to show you guys the inner part of the hair. So everything is okay. You equally have this adjustable strap at the back. So after that I put on the wig on and I'm trying to make adjustments. So there is something that this brand didn't tell me. They didn't tell me that this is a glueless wig, because you know how it's a frontal and I'm the one that cut it myself. So I was not really expecting this hair to sit on me like this. This hair sat on my head so pretty with no glue, guys. Can you see? Like, I can't imagine this. I was really shocked because normally when I cut frontals, like when I cut out the lace, you have to do a lot of work for the hair to sit like this. But I didn't put anything on this and the lace is nowhere to be found, and everything just melted into my skin and the lace just disappeared without me even like putting anything on. And the fact that this hair is really strong on my head, like, and I mean like it's really like just sitting well, even if like I don't do anything, if like honestly, if I don't do installation, I can really wait like this and go where I'm going and come back. It was just so nice. So I loved that fact. I love that the fact that I can just put it on and just go about my business. So after that, I just used my wax stick. I placed the wax stick on, and I already brought out the places I'm going to use and do my edges. So I placed the wax stick, and I'm trying to use my hot comb to style the hair. Of course, they equally pre-style the hair for me, so I'm just going to do a little one or two things on the hair and like get everything situated. So after that, I'm just going to, because the hair is already sitting well, like why would I go and kill myself in putting on glue, because I have no intention of keeping the hair on my head. So I just go ahead and use my bold hold spray and just hold it, like when you see a good lace, like sometimes lace is everything. Lace is lovely. When brands use good lace, you will know. So this lace is amazing. I just have to use bold hold and everything is okay. So at this point, I'm just, guys, you guys already know I'm becoming a pro in this ages thing, because before I was not good, but now I am. So first of all, I cut out the hairs I want to use and do the edges. Pre-coil it with my tiny coiling brush or whatever, and then I'm using my Gorilla gel to to lay the edges and everything. Okay guys, so I'm just doing the best I can and little I know. So I did it for the first part, and then I'm equally going to do it for the second part. So when I do that, I use my little tiny hot comb. Is it hot? It's not hot comb. Coiler. It has come in handy for me. This is one thing that I never ever regretted buying. I love it so much. Okay guys, so that is part of it, and I honestly have no idea what I just coiled here. I mean, I could have actually bring out more. I brought out tiny something and I have no idea what I did. But hey, that is by the way. Okay guys, so when I'm done coiling, I tied it with my hairband, and then I bring my coiler. You see this coiler? I bought this coiler very not quite long, because I want to be using it to achieve all those big coils. But you see, this very coiler is, I don't want to use a bad word. This coil refused to get very hot. I don't know why it refused to get very. I think maybe me, I'm using it wrongly. I don't know, but that's by the way. Okay guys, so I'm doing my best to coil the hair, but can you imagine what it coiled? Forget it. Okay guys, so at this point I have to go back to my usual coiler that I know how to use very well, because I'm trying to achieve a particular type of coil, but my big coiler was failing me. It refused to work, so I have to use the small coiler, and this is what I could achieve with it. Okay guys, so when I was done coiling the hair, I went out and did my makeup, and then I came back. This makeup is one of the simplest and the most fastest makeup I've ever done to myself. So I went out and did my makeup within a few minutes. I come back, like this is me. I opened the hair and I combed it, and it's looking gorgeous, guys. I want you to just take a minute and just check out the front of this hair, the hairline. The hairline is looking amazing and lovely, like it's looking gorgeous and beautiful. So this brand is actually saying the truth. They actually took time and did what they're supposed to do, because this hairline speaks the truth. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching my videos, and this hair is a lovely hair, and I would recommend for you guys to buy it. Thank you guys so much, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.